to dedicate that maneuver to someone special. I love you, Mom.
L'appareil d'embarquement de Eagle, le Christmas Eagle 1, l'appareil d'embarquement d'avec 200 tonnes au moteur light copy et maintenant équipé d'un moteur de développement 300. On vous parle de mais regardez les pièces, évoluez maintenant. Look how close they are. The big barrel roll. Bill Gordon flying to lead and Billy
Home in our island, in our empire, and indeed throughout the world, especially the abodes of the and wherein their constant strength and mortal nature are turning the tide of...
What's that all about? What? Wait a minute. Okay, we've got c'est quoi ça? That is a night speed run. Il faut savoir également que Rick est un pilote également qui sait faire du patin aérien. Imaginez qu'il est l'un des pilotes de Canadian Heritage Flying Team. The Force Reserve for 23 years now. You see the amazing climbing capabilities. Hard to believe it's about 12,500 pounds of flying machine as it climbs down. Making it look beautiful. She is out at the very end strut, the end of as far as she can go, striking a pose, giving you a wave, and now in a few moments she'll work the wings, drop beneath the airplane.
Oh, nice take.